A year after Sushant Singh Rajput dead by alleged suicide on June 14, 2020, a number of questions are still unanswered, and these big questions has made the case still alive and active and the soul of his fans. The case has led to the allegation and counter-allegation between the families of the actor and his live-in partner Rhea Chakraborty, and subsequently degenerated into political warfare. The BJP alleged foul play in the case, targeting the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadiya, especially Tourism Minister Aditya Thackeray, for protecting Rajput's murderer. Here are some questions that continue to haunt. Who advised the filing of FIR in Patna? Sushant's father KK Singh has filed an FIR against Chakraborty in hometown Patna in Bihar on June 25, 2020, accusing her of the abetment in suicide. He had alleged that the Chakraborty has siphoned off rupees 15 crore from the actor's bank account. This FIR became the basis of the Supreme Court to transfer the investigation into the case to the CBI from the Mumbai police on August 5, 2020. It has emerged that the Maharashtra Kendra IPS officer, who has an origin in Bihar, has advised Sushant's well-wisher to file the FIR against the case. Why is the CBI keeping mum? The next big question. The agency had sent a team of 3 intelligence sleuths to uncover the truth behind Sushant's death. The team camped in Mumbai for almost 1 month, between August and September 2020. They integrated the actor's family, friends and ex-girlfriend Rhea as well. The agency has not yet made public the result of the investigation, nor has it acknowledged the finding of the team of a doctor from AIIMS in October 2020 that Sushant hanged himself. What happened to the case against Sushant's sister Priyanka Singh? The next big question comes up. The Rhea Chakraborty has filed a case against Sushant's sister Priya Singh on September 6, 2020, which is still not active and nothing is being done over that case. The Bombay High Court on February 11, 2021 and upheld the case against Priya. This has paved the way of Mumbai police to integrate her. It is not sure what will come of it, though Priyanka's husband Siddhant Tanwar is a senior lawyer. And the next big question is, where is the drug syndicate? Rhea admission on September 5, 2020 that she was procuring marijuana from Sushant made the Narcotics Control Bureau, that is NCB, integrate 33 people associated with him in any capacity. The agency has claimed the Bollywood had become a den of drugs, which had to be uprooted. It earned some brownie points when it questioned stars like Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Arjun Rampal and Sara Ali Khan in the raid September last year. The NCB, however, has failed to catch my big fish. Its action was mainly focused on peddlers and small consumers. As of now, the NCB does not have any information on any big Bollywood celebrity allegedly involved in the drug racket. But Sushant still lives in our heart, and still these questions need to be answered because the actor was super talented and extraordinary and did a great work in Bollywood. We all want justice, and this question needs to be answered as soon as possible. So whoever has watched this video, do like it. Do subscribe India News 81 for more news and update, and do share it guys. Bye bye.
लेटेस्ट खबरों के लिए यूं ही देखते रहिए
इंडिया न्यूज़ 81
और इस वीडियो के पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।